If your Riverpod UI stops updating, this might be why. One of the most common mistakes Flutter developers make is using provider for a mutable state. It looks correct, it compiles, but your UI never updates. This mistake silently breaks your architecture and leads to hours of debugging. In this video, you will learn why this happens, how the Riverpod really works, and the correct way to manage the mutable state safely. The problem in Riverpod, the basic provider is designed for read-only dependency. For example, this is the correct way because the repository itself it doesn't change, but many developers try this. Then later, this doesn't work. Why? Because provider is immutable. Riverpod will never notify the UI, so your UI becomes frozen. Why this happens? Riverpod rebuilds widgets only when state changes are emitted. Provider doesn't emit state changes, it only exposes a value. Think of a provider like a constant reference, not a dynamic state container. It's like reading a number written on a paper. You cannot update it and expect everyone to see that change. The solution for a mutable state, just use StateProvider. Now update it, Riverpod will notify the UI instantly because StateProvider is designed for a mutable state. For real apps, use NotifierProvider. This keeps logic clean and scalable. Provider is like a book. StateProvider is like a whiteboard. NotifierProvider is like a state machine controlling the system. Use the right tool for a right job. Remember, use provider for repositories, services, APIs, immutable dependencies, and use the StateProvider or NotifierProviders for a UI state, counters, user data, business logic. Follow for more.